Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a video unboxing of the Clever Fox Premium Luxe Planner, whatever it's called. I will pop the full thing up here because it is quite a lengthy description. But basically, I'm diving headlong into planning. I've always loved planners, but kind of always fall off the wagon. So here I am jump starting it again. If you are interested more in me planning instead of just this planner, I will link below down below my kind of introduction to why I'm starting to plan video if you are interested in following along on my journey. But if not, and if you're just here for the review of this journal, or the unboxing, I should say, because this will not be a full review. I need to actually use it, but this will be an unboxing so that you know what you get if you do order this. Links will be down below for everything that I talk about. So here we go. Here is how it comes packaged. It is in a cello wrap and then in a box, it looks like. So I'm going to open this up and we will find out what is inside. Alrighty. Wow, this feels really nice. The box feels awesome, like very, very thick, nice cardboard. So it looks like this on the front, got the little logo. It does have a little magnetic opening right here, and then it opens up like a book. So right on the inside, we have welcome to the Clever Fox Weekly Planner Premium Edition. It says, create a vision for your life. Set your 12-month goals, break them down into smaller, manageable 3-month goals. I'm really excited about that part of it. Take consistent action every day, review and adjust, achieve your goals, let the journey begin. Awesome. So I do like that. That is kind of inspiring. It does kind of fire me up a little bit. So then we have this How It Works Premium Weekly Planner how-to guide, I guess. So let's take a look inside here. So this has a little intro, yada yada. So a table of contents. It looks like it's telling you kind of all of the ways in which to use it and the ways in which to set it up and like kind of why you would want to use it in terms of like the psychology of it. And then you go through and it kind of tells you how you are supposed to answer some of the questions in the book. So this is helpful, because for me, I do feel like I love to think about doing these things, but whenever it comes down to actually doing these things, I hate the execution of it. Like I hate actually having to sit down and do it. I would rather just like talk about it like in a video rather than actually writing it down or having to type it out or whatnot. So this does kind of force me to do things like that. So it looks like it's really helpful. I do like that they put this little guide in there. Yeah, I like that they show you a lot of different ways and how to set everything up, because I am totally not one of these type of journaling / planner type of people. I'm used to basically just like a super basic like weekly, monthly planner where you like have everything, like the dates are already on it and you don't set up anything on your own. So this is kind of a journey outside the box for me. We have this little ribbon here that says pull. So I'm going to pull that up. And we have the planner here. Wow, it's quite hefty. I'm surprised. Wow, it looks super nice. So this is also cello wrapped. So I'm just going to take that off real quick. Ooh, it feels nice. Now they did say that this is, I believe, vegan leather, which is basically just like not leather. It's like, man-made materials or whatever, like plant-based or not animal-based, basically. So it says Clever Fox Premium Edition Weekly Planner. I'm talking a little bit too fast. So it has a 1-year weekly planner layout, habit tracker, weekly and monthly goals, weekly and monthly review, mind map, affirmations, gratitude, and inspirations. That's awesome. It has a nice little pin loop on here, and it has the little loop to secure it closed, but OMG, like it just feels luxurious, like actual luxury. It really does feel awesome. The paper feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like super nice paper, but it doesn't feel like thin, cheap paper. Lots of open space on here. Lots of stuff for like writing down your goals and things like that, which is good because I do need to do something like that. I like the little bullet journal type of area. I do also want to do some bullet journaling for my fitness tracking. So I will be doing kind of a review, I guess, of maybe the journal that I pick up for that. And then I also am going to do a kind of overview of all of the supplies, I guess, that I'm going to be using. So subscribe if you are interested in that stuff. So far this looks pretty cool. Okay, so I'm coming to the first like monthly kind of layout. It looks nice. I like that at the very least this has like real, you know, like a real month in here, even though you can put your own dates in it, because I do need some structure. I'm not ready to just like have an entire year's calendar be something that I have to create. Just not down for that. So I do like that they include little things that force you to like think about what happened today that was good, you know, or what can I improve on or whatever, or what happened this month, yada yada. Another big reason why I bought this is because it did already have some of these things included in here, like I was saying, like the calendar, but also these little like circle graph kind of thingies. Honestly, don't know what they are. I still need to educate myself more on like what all this stuff is, but at least I bought this. But you know, I like that it's already included. It's already like in there for me. I don't have to create it. So I feel like this is a good planner to start with if you want to get into doing more of like the journaling type of planning, whatever, guys, you know what I'm talking about, right? So if you want to do more of the journaling type of stuff, but you're not like super artsy yet, or you still need to learn like myself, this seems like a good planner to do that with. So it looks like all of the months are up front. So there's like the months, and then after the month is a like year or monthly review. So then after we come to the end of that, you've got your 3-month goals, mind map, yada yada. So we've got a lot of monthly reviews here. And now we are coming to, it looks like, the weekly part of it. Yeah, so now we have a weekly layout. So it looks like you've got your Monday through Sunday all on one side. Then you have this week's main goal, this week's priorities, a little bullet journaling type of area, personal to-do list, habits and skills to maybe like achieve or work on, this week's wins, and how I'll improve next week. I really love all of that because I really need to focus on all of those things. One thing that I do feel like I will have to personally work on is the fact that the months, like the month layout, is all at the front, and then all of the weeks are in the middle here. So all of your 12 months are in a row, and then all of your 52 weeks are in a row. So I will have to do some like tabs or something so that I know personally where each month in the weekly section starts. And I did pick up some tabs for that specifically, so hopefully that works out. But also, speaking of that, I've just come to the middle here, and they do have these little bookmark tassels, and they are so nice. I love the colors. It's very feminine, very girly, very up my alley, but it's not like screaming in your face like hot pink. I love that it's kind of dusty colors. So I'm sure that I can use those also to separate out some things, like maybe separate the months from the weekly and then from whatever comes next, because I'm not sure what comes after the weekly stuff. It looks like after the weekly stuff, we have some bullet journaling sections. So there's effectively then 3 sections to this journal. And then at the very back, to conclude, you do have a little pocket here for putting some things that you would like. I don't know what I would use that for, but I do plan on getting some little like stickery things and whatnot. But speaking of stickers and such, God, this just feels so nice. I'm really impressed with it. So they do include some other little goodies in here. So they do have some stickers. We've got some month stickers, some just like cutesy dogs and, you know, clip art looking stuff, emojis and little like dots and things like that. Super cute. And then we have another sheet of, wow, several sheets of stickers. Well, there's a lot. Was not expecting this. So, okay, lots and lots of different stickers. You will see all of these in the up close portion, but there is a lot, and I really enjoy that. I like that there are ones where you can actually write on them, and I like that there are ones to just kind of motivate you along or just make you feel a little bit like, hey, even though I paid a bill, like I get to put a cute sticker on there. And is that a little bit childish? Yes, of course. But sometimes whenever you have a child and a marriage and like work to manage and things like that, like sometimes you just need to be a little bit like fun and just have some time to just do something for yourself that's not really for anybody else, and to just have a little bit of fun. And like those adult coloring books and things like that, why do you think those are so popular? Because sometimes you just need some time to just like not necessarily be a whole adult, okay? So that's how I feel about that. But anyway, going on. Here's the warranty. 60-day money back guarantee, no hassle refund. Awesome. Awesome of them to include that. And then at the very back, it says, stay organized, stay clever. And I feel like that is probably the back of this. I think it is the end. That's the end. So that's all of the things that were included in this little package. That is really nice. I am pleased with it. I'm really excited to actually sit down and start to use it so that I can kind of like get acquainted with it. But I do feel like this was presented really, really nicely. And I think if you're maybe planning on getting this as a gift for someone, then I mean, it's top notch in terms of presentation, you know, for wanting to like give it to someone and make it look like this is a really thoughtful gift. Yeah, absolutely. Because it's not just a notebook that comes just in a cello wrapper like this. You do get the whole box and stuff. And I do think for a beginner, especially, it's great because it's kind of laid out a little bit for you, but it allows you to add your own creativity without having to be super creative to start with. So I do enjoy that also. And for the price, I think it was definitely worth it. The feel of it is really great. The quality seems great. Time will tell once I start using it. I'm sure that, you know, in a few months, once it's kind of been through the ringer, I will give you my review on it and what I think of it. So make sure to click the subscribe button if you would like to see that in a little bit of time. But that's it for my unboxing of this. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you are looking to purchase this or at least see more information on it, the link will be in the description box down below. Make sure to check there. I have other YouTube channels that you can check out as well. And that's it, guys. I hope that you'll join me in the next one, and I will catch you next time. Bye, guys.